Okay, so I made a mess and this is soy sauce. So, yeah, don't wear a white shirt while eating sushi. I guess that's the lesson to be learned here right now. So, this is the part two because I wasn't able to finish all of those and I wanted them to be room temperature. Also, in my last video, I said, what? I said sake maki. Wait, obviously this is nigiri, but I don't know why I said that, so my bad. Okay, so I'm gonna have another one of the California rolls because I've waited quite a while and I'm again a little bit hungry. Now, I should just use my real chopsticks, but whatever. Now, I've done ASMR videos before and well, only like a few because I love ASMR videos but I because of my life situation I was never really able to get into it, like to actually do them. So these are mostly just about, you know, food videos, but I am going to start making more of like ASMR kind of videos. Like, I don't think that the whispering is exactly my thing, but maybe soft spoken, or maybe soft spoken in different languages, like in Finnish or Turkish or something like that. I don't know, whatever you guys want. But also for me, my ASMR experiences are I can get ASMR from a lot of different things. Even if it's somebody just speaking using their own voice, but they're explaining something and then they're showing something or they're eating something or the sound of them eating. So, you know, everybody has have these different kind of triggers. Some people can just hear it, some people need to feel it, or so it's really different. So you can never really please anyone, and I'm still trying to like find my way and figure out my way. So right now I'm not thinking about it too much. I'm trying not to think about it too much. I have too much going on in my life right now, which I'm thankfully slowly um, healing from. But for now, what I wanted to show, what I promised you, was the sushi part 2. And this chopstick just broke in half. So, well, if nothing else, I'll use my fingers. So I'm gonna put a little bit more wasabi. Sometimes I like to some people that um, they talk normally, regularly. They don't whisper or anything. They just talk about their days and they show what they eat and whatever. And sometimes I like really enjoy that, especially because sometimes due to circumstances, um, I have to be alone a lot of the times, and it makes me feel less lonely. Even though I don't know these people personally, um, it would be so lonely to not have any kind of human contact. There is not contact per se, but I hear them and I feel like, you know, the world is so much bigger than just me and there are people out there. So that helps me. So let's try the California roll. I'm still kind of wondering where the mayo is in there, but I could basically just take this with my finger but here it is. It does not look that good. Wait. Because it's like all smushed up. That's basically what it looks like. So I will try this one. It's really nice. I don't taste the mayo that much, but I don't think it really matters. It's good. Ginger. Some people don't like the ginger, but I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so here is the salmon nigiri, not maki, like I said before. I added some wasabi in there because when I checked, they hadn't put any wasabi in there, and I like my salmon with wasabi. It's sake actually in Japanese, but I wish I would have bought the ebi because I love ebi and I will like stuck it up with wasabi. So again, everyone can do this however they want. Usually you're supposed to only tip the fish so that the rice doesn't get sake, but you know, whatever you want to do, just do it. For me right now, still not enough wasabi. I want more. Okay, now let's try it again. Better. but I don't know what it is. But with some onigiri and a vinigiri, I just want a lot of wasabi. My neighbor's dog is barking. I just... Yeah, so ginger. So I still have this one left, and 2 of these, but I want to save at least 2 of those. So just putting on a little bit more wasabi here. That calls for some wine. Oh, thank goodness I have my paper here. Actually, why not eat it by finger? So split it in half, maybe? I think that would be good, no? The avocado. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. That was real good. It was really like, it was really worth the money. So good. So good.